Hey guys, let me show you why your video are not being pushed on YouTube. This is the reason why most of you say your channel has been shadow banned, you're not getting views. YouTube is being biased and not pushing your videos. Now, the reason is very simple. Sometimes it's not even because you have been shadow banned, sometimes because you wrongly optimize your videos before uploading them. Now, I'm going to show you just 3 things that you're going to do to optimize your videos and have higher chances of being pushed out there on YouTube. Okay, so if you're a new creator and you just posted your first 2 3 videos and you are complaining of getting shadow banned or not getting views, don't worry, it's actually normal for new creators not to get views in their first few videos. Okay, so if you posted like 20 videos upward, that's when you start getting views, you start getting pushed, and people start recognizing you. But for now, let's talk about those who are not even getting views at all. So I have a video here that I want to post, and the title of this video is how to get rich on YouTube. So I'm going to do 3 things. The first thing is I'm going to optimize this title to better perform well on YouTube. I'm going to make this title to become better than it already is. So what will I do? I will copy this title and I will go to Gemini. Now, mind you, Gemini is Google's official AI platform. It is Google's official AI platform. They use it for YouTube to detect content and copyright claims and to detect AI slopes, content, and all that. The reason I'm asking Gemini is because Gemini knows a lot about YouTube. It knows a lot about YouTube. So the first thing is, before we even change our title, I'm going to first of all change our description, because your description tells the algorithm what your video is all about and how it's going to push it or who is going to push it to. So what I'll do is I'll copy this title and go to Gemini. Then I'll paste this prompt. Give me top trending keywords and tags with the highest search volume on YouTube for a YouTube video titled. So here I'm going to paste the title of that video. Then I said put them all in a paragraph separated by commas. Later on, I'm going to reveal to you why I asked that these titles and these tags should be put in a paragraph. Now I'm going to hit enter, and within few seconds Gemini is going to return the results for this norm. So what I'll do now is I'm going to copy this, go back to my YouTube studio and come to my description and paste this. The reason I asked Gemini to put this in one paragraph is because in your description, the Google's algorithm or YouTube's algorithm focuses entirely on the first 2 lines. And how do you know if a line has ended? A line ends with a full stop. So there is no full stop in this description. It's all commas, meaning what? That they are all considered as a line or as a sentence. So YouTube is going to maximize this tag that I have put here in this one sentence. The algorithm is going to use this tag to suggest who is going to push the videos to. So when this is done, I'm going to still go back, copy my title again. Now I'm going to change this title. I'm going to give it a better title that is very, very appealing to a lot of people. So what I'll do is this time around, I will not be going to Gemini. I will go to Claude AI. The reason I'm going to Claude is because Claude has smarter answers, and it thinks even better. It can solve complex issues than Gemini. Gemini can just give you random answers without even doing a deep search. But the reason I use Gemini for this tag is because Gemini has access to YouTube data and knows about these tags and everything on YouTube. But anything aside that, it's not that good. So I'm using Claude because Claude is versatile and smarter. So I'll go to Claude and paste this prompt. Give me 5 better titles for a YouTube video title. So here I'm going to paste my title and click enter. Now this is what it's going to give me. It's going to start brainstorming, and within a few seconds it's going to give me the answers to this. So let's hold on just a little for the answers to come, because it is doing a deep search unlike Gemini. So this is the result. The first one, I studied 100 YouTube millionaires. Here is what actually works. I like this very one. The reason why this works is because it implies that you did a research and there is proof for your research. Second title, YouTube won't make you rich unless you do this. This one contains a contrary hook and promises a payoff. This contains something that people are not used to. People are used to YouTube will make you rich, and now your video is saying people won't make you rich. So it's going to drive them to click on that video. Remember, our video title is what? How to get rich on YouTube. So now the third one is The real YouTube money playbook nobody talks about. I don't like this title. It's kind of rampant out there. Doesn't really have this curiosity driven hook and all that. Fourth title, how much I actually made on YouTube and how you can too. This one is not really, I don't like this. 7 YouTube income streams. No. So we're gonna go with, I think, the first two. The first one is okay. I think the first one, I studied 100 YouTube millionaires. Here is what actually works. Okay. Or you can decide to check this. YouTube won't make you rich unless you do this. So I think the first one will go. So I'll just come here and I'm going to paste my title here. Now I need you guys to take note of something. Look at this. Did you see that our title score has increased to 94? It wasn't like this before. Now let's go back. This was the former title. Look at the title score, 87. And when I paste the recent one now that we just copied from cloud, we are getting 94. So if you're asking me how do I get this title score and all that, it's because I'm using vidIQ extension. It is a Google Chrome extension that helps you to properly optimize your YouTube videos before posting or even after posting them. So I have this 94, meaning what, that my title is very strong and very good. Now we've gone halfway. One of the things I also want to show you is this. I'm going to go down. Now this is what I want you guys to take note of. You see this particular question here. Is this video made for kids? Please always set this as no, it is not made for kids, because the moment you choose this option, YouTube is not going to push your videos to people who are supposed to watch it. I mean your potential viewers. It's going to push your videos to kids. You know what that means? You're not going to get single views. So always leave this as not made for kids. This is a very important settings. Most of the reason why you are getting shadow banned is because this thing is set at made for kids. Once it's set at made for kids, you will not get any views. I'm telling you that. So go and check all your videos. Check if this setting is properly set or not. Make sure it is not made for kids. So I'm going to go down. One thing I want to change is the tag. Listen to this. I'll go back to Gemini where we had these our keywords that we copied. So I'm going to copy these keywords, come back here, and I'm going to paste them. Now you can see that these keywords now have been separated. The reason why they were separated is because I asked Gemini to separate them with commas. And once you separate any word with commas in your tags, it automatically becomes a keyword or a tag. So this was one of the reasons why I asked it to separate them with a comma, so it becomes easier for me to paste it here. But here I think we are having 748 characters instead of the 500 we are supposed to paste. So I'm just going to go back and remove some of these ones that have low scores, like these ones that do not have high scores on YouTube. I'll keep removing till we get a go ahead. You can still see still showing red, which means that our tags are still very long. So I'll just delete a lot of them. Okay, now this is okay. Now we have 482 out of 500, which is perfect. Now these are the things that you need to change on YouTube in order to go viral. One more thing you need to do is your thumbnail. You see, you can have a perfect title, a perfect description. Your thumbnail is what even makes people to click in the first place. Your title and your thumbnail. If these two things are not properly optimized, you will not get views. You might have the best video, the best idea, the best quality in your video, but your thumbnail is what will attract them and make them to click, just like you clicked on this video. So if they are not clicking, it's either your title is bad, your description not properly optimized, or your thumbnails are not even attractive at all. They don't have high CTR. So these are the things that you need to do to make sure that you don't get shadow banned or your content gets pushed. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to answer them. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and like, comment, share to someone who might need this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.